Converting CAD models into patent-ready figures is a critical step in the intellectual property process. Today, we're diving into the essential step-by-step process of converting your CAD files into compliant patent figures, ensuring a smooth filing process. The main challenge is transforming a detailed, often complex 3D CAD model into a simple, clear 2D patent drawing that adheres to strict legal requirements. A fast and accurate conversion process is vital. It significantly reduces the time between innovation and patent filing, which is crucial in competitive markets. Let's walk through the exact steps needed to execute this conversion flawlessly. First, you must understand the Patent Office requirements, covering aspects like line thickness, acceptable shading methods, and drawing clarity for your jurisdiction. Before export, clean up your CAD model. Simplify complex geometry. Remove internal features not relevant to the patent, and ensure surfaces are clean. Using the right CAD export settings can save you hours of manual editing later. Generate standard orthographic views, front, side, top, as well as necessary cross-sectional or exploded views directly from your 3D model for maximum accuracy. Utilize dedicated CAD features for drawing creation or leverage third-party conversion tools that specialize in patent figure compliance to streamline the process. Once exported, your figures require essential refinement to meet legal standards. Crucially, add all necessary patent markings, including figure numbers and reference labels pointing to specific features described in the patent claims. Apply appropriate stippling or black and white shading to clearly differentiate surface features, especially in cross-sectional views, as color is often not allowed. The final stage is ensuring every aspect of your figures is ready for official submission. Double-check that your finalized figures comply with the stringent standards set by patent offices like USPTO or EPO to avoid rejections. Verify the resolution of your images is high enough for printing and that you use the required file format, such as TIFF or PDF, for submission. The goal of patent figures is absolute clarity. They are the visual foundation of your claim. Remember, adhere to requirements, simplify your CAD, and refine your 2D views for the best result. High-quality, clear patent figures significantly accelerate the patent examination process and strengthen the validity of your claims.